Meluncur ke TKP. Siap, 86.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Rendy Firmansyah, student ID number 24293026. I am student of Digital University, and here I will explain about how online loans have become a lifestyle. Online loans or pinjol in Indonesia have become more accessible than ever. With just an ID, you can get money transferred in minutes. As a result, people have started relying on online loans, not only for emergencies, but also for lifestyle spending, shopping, traveling, even hanging out. Online loans are quick, but the risks are real. Many get trapped in a debt cycle, borrowing from one app to repay another. High interest rates, large fees, and data abuse can destroy your life. Many young people see online loans as a quick fix without thinking long term. Loans should be used for essential or productive needs, not to fund a lifestyle. Online loans are not a shortcut to happiness. Don't let debt control your life. Let's start making smarter financial choices today. That concludes my presentation about online loans. And thank you.